The Wind and the Sun, from Class 2 English. Marigold is a timeless tale teaching kindness over force. The story follows a contest between the powerful wind and the warm sun to make a traveler remove his cloak. The wind tries to blow it off forcefully, but the traveler clings tighter. However, the sun gently shines, making the traveler feel warm and comfortable, so he willingly removes his cloak. This story teaches children that gentleness and kindness are more effective than aggression and force. It emphasizes empathy and understanding others' feelings, promoting a valuable lesson in interpersonal relationships. Through this narrative, children learn the importance of patience and compassion in resolving conflicts. For enriching educational resources like this and more, subscribe to Bharat Self-Learning. Access engaging content that enhances learning experiences and fosters holistic development in children.